Welcome to video number 2 called In the Chips, and you'll see why it's called In the Chips as we go along. So to start out, you're going to see that sometimes we represent math problems with different manipulatives. So if we have a red chip, it represents -1. Sometimes you'll also hear the saying in the red because it represents negative numbers. We can have black chips and they represent +1. So let's look at a couple of examples. If I have a red chip and a black chip together, we call this a zero pair, all right? Which means -1 plus +1 equals 0. If you remember video 1, we talked about opposites. So if you don't remember that, go back and look. And we also talked about additive inverse there. So also, if I have 2 red chips and 2 black chips, that's just like saying -2 plus +2. Again, additive inverses, opposites, gives me the answer of 0. So sometimes we have maybe 3 red chips and 5 black chips, okay? If we do have that, they're not the same, right? So we may have -3, but we have +5. So we can use that zero pair to help us answer this problem. So remember, a red and a black together make a 0 pair. Another red and another black, another 0 pair. Again, we still have red and it matches with this black. So how many 0 pairs did I have? I had 1, 2, and 3. So how many are left? Well, all of those are 0 pairs, but I have these 2 that are left, and they're black. So I have 2 black left. Remember, each black represents +1. So my answer is +2 since I have 2 blacks.